Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be really quick. I'm going to show you how to add extra string once you run out to your Milwaukee weed trimmer. Super easy, so just for this video I think you can do quite a bit more, but I'm just stretching my arms all the way apart of string. All you do is you see this hole, you line up the red mark here with this hole, take your string, feed it through, and then well, if I can get it to go through. Apparently I can't. Alright, so you feed this through, you see it coming through on the other side. All we're going to do is pull this. Let me get repositioned here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so you're going to pull this string so it's even. You can see that there, it's even. So I'm just holding it, and then you can see there's an arrow. Mine's kind of scraped up. Just turn that, so then you're locking that back in, and then all you do is you twist, and you can see the lines coming in. Twist, twist, twist. And there you go. And it's as easy as that. And then this is a bump feed. And I'll probably be doing a review on this weed trimmer. I've had it for a couple of years. I use it for so much stuff. You know, this part comes off. I have the pole saw. I have the thick brush blade trimmer. So many different things you can do with this attachment. And this thing has just been great. I'll have to do a more in-depth review. Anyways, that is how you replace the string in your Milwaukee weed trimmer. Thanks for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff helps the channel quite a bit. And I do a lot of how-to simple type videos like this. Thanks for watching.